Hello and welcome. We have covered bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots. Note that these are just 3 types of plots that we have covered in details. We also have several other charts options for analyzing our data. Let's look at some, and we'll start with the heat map. In this case, we have a heat map. There you go. You'll see that the size of this depends on the profit, and we can increase the size by moving the profit here. We can also change the colors based on the regions. Let's place regions under the color. There you go. We can convert this into a tree map. Let's also look at a different kind of chart. We'll also work with regions. Let's have regions. Then let's have details of sales here under text. There you go. This is representation in tabular form, and I think we can also convert this. We can also invert this in a different way, and with that we can also make it a highlighted table. Let's see. Yeah, we have a highlighted table for ourselves here, and fit this into width. Let's have a column chart. There you go. We have a column chart. This can be converted into a packed bubbles. The size depending on the sell mode. That is the sum of the profit. This is done automatically, and there you go. We can convert this into box and whisker plot, and we can also convert that into pie chart.